Hello friends, in this video I want to show you how to fix page fault in non-paged area in Windows 10. So guys, if you are facing some error regarding non-paged area in your Windows 10, so to resolve this issue. So friends, if you are facing page fault in non-paged area, so to resolve this issue, click on Start, then type System, click on System. And here click on Advanced System Settings. Now click on in Advanced, you will see Performance. Click on Settings. Now again click on Advanced. Now click on Virtual Memory. So click here Change. Uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Now uncheck this box Automatically Manage Paging File Size. Now select No Paging File. Then click on Set. Then click on Yes. Then click on OK. Click on OK. Close it and restart your PC. So hopefully guys, using these simple steps we can fix and resolve page fault in non-page area in Windows 10. Thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video work for you or not.